5 munud ar 20 ar y cloc. Miles Davies. Croesiad tro hyn. A wir! Yn rhoi y tîm cartre ar y blaen. Ar ôl sgorio i gol gynta yn uwch gyngred Cymru. Pen wythnos diwetha. Yn sgorio i ail. Yn erbyn Bae Colwyn braw ma. Mae'n un i ddim. Miles Davies yn clirio. At Venables. Mae'n le nawr i Venables. Fewn i'r cwrt Cosby. Venables yn dal i fynd. Yn troi. Digonedd o amser da fe. Ni'n gosodiad. Miles Davies ac oedd angen yr arbediad yna gan Truman. Rhoedd hint i Venables. Redeg at gol yn diwedd. Yn ei gosod i nôl. Miles Davies amseru i'r ediad yn dda. Ond Truman yn neud ei waith yn gol hefyd. Cyn Owen. Yn y canol o Dan Jeffries yno. Reit Richards. Cael ei lorio. Ac mae'n gico spotted. Creamer yn dadle. Ond Richards ar lawr. Tipyn o godwm. A mi fydd cyfle gan Venables o'r smotyn. Cerdyn Melin. Ail Gerdyn Melin i Creamer. A dyna gerdyn coch cyntaf Bae Colwyn yn uwch gyngre'r Cymru. Venables. Dim camgymeriad gan Chris Venables. Gol rhif 40 y tymor yma. Cyn Owen. Groesiad i fewn at Reffel! Ambeniad am groesiad. Ac yn syth wedi cael yr ail. Pen-y-bont yn ymostyn i Mantes. Reffel a hi. Harling. Cyn Owen. O, yn ochr Gamin Bert. Cyn Owen yn i'r canol. Truman. Yn achub Bae Colwyn unwaith eto. Miles Davies. Tafod nôl at Harling. Davies. Croesiad. Hart sy'n penio. Harling. Lledi. At Cyn Owen. Cyn Owen yn mynd o bellter! Am gol gan Cyn Owen! Taran o ergyd gan gapten Pen-y-bont. A'r dorf yn gwerthfawrogi honna. Richards. Nôl at Henry Jones. A Griffiths yn troi. Griffiths yn lledu'r bil. A John Brown. A Iwan Phillips yn sgorio. 15 od yw e. Y gol gynta i tîm cynta Pen-y-bont. 10 gol ar 20 mewn 20 gêm i'r tîm dan 11. Mae hon am fod yn dipyn o chwaraewr i Pen-y-bont.
Reece, quite easy to point to the red card as the moment that the floodgates opened, but how happy are you with the 90 minutes today?
Yeah, it was a complete performance, I thought. It's, you know, the red card obviously changes things. It killed the game, really, as long as Venice put the pen away, which he did. But I thought the first half we were very dominant. Probably could have scored a couple more, and yeah, we were comfortable. And then obviously that then 2-0 down to 10 men. It was about, can we put a few more on the score sheet then?
Well, the last goal came for Iwan Phillips. I was looking at his stats, how many he's scored for the under-16s. He seems quite the prospect, and at a young age scoring for the first team.
Yeah, we believe in him. He's only been training with us for a couple of months, really, on and off. But we've sort of integrated him now into the first team squad. The boys have accepted him and they love him. You know, a big round of applause for him in there. And I'm not sure if he's the youngest ever goal scorer in the Welsh Prem, but I would guess that he is. Yeah, it's a big feat for him, so I'm really pleased for him. I've actually celebrated a goal today for the first time in a long time. So,
looks like a tough afternoon. What did you make of the performance?
Yeah, it was a tough afternoon. I've got to give Pen-y-bont credit. I thought they were the better team by an absolute country mile. I thought they were sharper to everything, first to everything, played better football, you know. But saying that, until the sending off, we were still in the game. You know, we didn't really lay a glove on them, you know, but we were still in the game. The goal's not a great goal, you know, it's we should clear it. We don't, but, you know, we're still in the game, and then obviously the sending off then, you know, changes the game drastically. They score the pen and then they score straight after, and then the game's done, and we just try to stay in and not concede, you know, but, you know, I've got to give credit to Pen-y-bont today. You know, it was a bad day at the office for us, but they were the better team.
Mael ddim yn edrych fel pnawn neis i fod yn chwarae pêl-droed pa mor tuff oedd i mas na.
Ie, wedi yn tuff, ond 5 gol llech yn lan, nath y tywydd ddim ffeithio ni'r gormod iddi.
Gallu'r bod mwy os am y gol, o'r ges ti cwpl o gyfleoedd dy hunan ond cael ei arbed, hapus ffom y hunan?
Wel, yn hapus, ond o'n i'n meddwl dylsyn ni wedi sgorio eddi. Cwpl o chances, ond chwarae teg i'r gol geired, nath cwpl o saves dda iawn. Ond na, just hapus iawn i cael y 3 pwynt o'r diwedd y dydd.